Okay, for our next stitch that I want to teach you, it's going to be the single crochet. Now, if you're working on a diagram, you will either see the single crochet represented as a little X or a little T like that. When you see it written out, it's single crochet, and when you see it written in patterns, it's usually abbreviated SC. These are all mean the same thing, single crochet. So it's the diagrams, it's either X or a T, and when you see it written out, single crochet is the name of the stitch, abbreviated as SC. That's how you would see it appear in a pattern. So here, to do the single crochet, I already started here with my previous lessons. I showed you how to do the chain. A single crochet then, remember always that the loop on the hook does not count as a stitch. So here to begin, I'm going to begin my single crochet in the second chain from the hook. What I mean by that is, here's one chain, here's a second chain, and so here, this one doesn't count, so it's 1, 2. To do the single crochet, you would take your hook, you would put it into your chain without wrapping yarn over. You grab that yarn from the back, pull it up. You will have 2 loops of yarn on the hook, 1, 2. You'll grab your yarn with your hook and you'll pull it through both little loops, and that creates this stitch here, which is the single crochet. Once again, without yarning over. Yarning over means when you wrap the yarn over your hook, or you're just going to go into the next chain here. This is the top part of the chain, that's the bottom part right here. You're going to grab your yarn with your hook. You'll have 2 loops and you go through it, through both loops, and that is our second single crochet. So it's 1, 2. Once again, I'm going to show you, this is the hook part of the crochet hook, and then you're going to go into your next chain, get your yarn, pull it up using that hook. You'll have 2 loops of yarn on your hook. You're going to pull through both. That is a single crochet. I'm just going to do a couple more to show you. And then you pull through both little loops there. Okay? Once again, you go into your chain, pull out, just like that. Remember, you can pause and rewind the video if you miss any portion. And as you get more practice, you'll be able to go faster. But the important thing also is not the speed as much as tension control. We want to be able to control the tension so that it comes evenly throughout all your stitches and your work. And this is the single crochet.